All right, welcome to Bridger and Bridget unboxing. We found a nice little card store in Coeur d'Alene, which you're gonna have to visit. And we copped ourselves a 2026 Top 75, baseball card box. So let's get into it. So we don't know a ton about baseball, so it's going to be pretty much up to you to determine whether or not these cards have any value, which is why we're doing the video. We've got seven cards here, or seven packets with 12 cards each.
We'll be here a while.
Hopefully, we'll be here a while. Hopefully we get something good. All right. Ooh, hot off the press. Mike Trout. That is a good card. I wonder if we switch you. What do you think about that? Good card? We'll find out. All right, that could be a good one. All right, we've got Mauricio Dubon, second baseman for Houston. Dalton Varsho for the Blue Jays. Jimmy Crooks for St. Louis. Bryce Miller, I know that guy, for the Seattle Mariners. Luis Morales. Louis. Athletics. Kyle Freeland. Rockies. Pearson Ole. For the Twins. Pete Crow Armstrong. Cubs. Zach McKinstry. Tyler Stevenson. Patrick Bailey. Not much there. But that Mike Trout one doesn't look like it's a rookie, but anyways, who knows? All right. This one, the fancy one, is Rafael Devers. Don't know if that's a good card or not. We've got Frank Thomas for the White Sox. JT Ginn. Kyle Backus. Okay. Tomoyuki Sugano of the Orioles. Nathan Church for the Cardinals. Ryan Pip something, fuck. Michael Harris. Nolan McKellen, pitcher for the Mets. William Contreras for Milwaukee, catcher. Something tells me that might be a good card. Kerry Carpenter for the Detroit Tigers. Here we go. Aaron Judge. An outfielder, Aaron Judge. We know him. That could be worth something. All right, what's next? Josh Lowe for Tampa Bay. Parker Messick for the Guardians, also known as the Indians. Jacob Lopez for the A's. Anthony Volpe. He's a good one. I know that guy. Cole Young. That's an up-and-comer, Cole Young. He is the second baseman? Yeah, second baseman. Hot prospect here. Too bad it's not a rookie card. No, it is a rookie card. It is a rookie card. That could be worth some money someday.
The only commentary we can add is around the Mariners.
Yep, that's all we know. Nick Castellanos. There we go. Ryan Ritter. That's another rookie card. Don't know him. Colorado Rockies. Ryan McMahon. Jacob Misarowski. Future star Roki Sasaki. That could be good. I don't know. We'll see. We got a triple decker here. We've got Tria Turner, Nico Horner, Freddie Freeman. Freddie Freeman. We know Freddie. All right. Okay, and then we've got Yak Cagaloni. This is a rookie card. Kansas City Royals. That could be probably not worth something, but maybe. All right, we've got 3 more unwraps to go. Gunnar Henderson, shortstop. I don't think there's anything special about that one. We've got, this is kind of a Francisco Lindor. We know Francisco Lindor. He is a shortstop, and I don't know if that's good or not. All right. What else? We've got Carlos Rodon. Not much there. We've got another rookie card, Kyle Teal. We'll put that one. I don't know if that's good or not. Mason Miller. Look at those hot unis. City Connects. Andrew McCutcheon. Okay, don't know Andrew. Chase Burns. Don't know him. Shane Smith. Don't know him. Gavin Sheets, San Diego. Don't know him. Well, actually, I do know him. Chad Stevens. Don't know him. New Age Athletics. I don't know what the fuck that is. Brayan Bello, pitcher. Okay. All right. I'm seeing that there are rookie cards in every single one of these packs. Oh, look at this. We got a Bryce Harper. Stars of MLB. I don't know if that's worth something, but I know who Bryce Harper is. Francisco Lindor. Ooh, that's kind of a nice little holographic. Look at that. She says. All right, that could be something. Hopping to it, the Braves. I don't know what the fuck that is, but you might like it because you're a Brave fan. Reed Detmers. I don't know what that is. Will Vest. No, not good. Cool Crushers. I don't know what that is. Yusei Kikuchi. Royce Lewis for the Twins. TJ Friedel. Camilo Doval. O'Neal Cruz. We got another rookie. Bradley. This kind of sounds like Bridger. Bradley Rodriguez for the Padres. Rookie card.
Our firstborn son.
Our firstborn son, Bradley. All right, last deck. Something tells me we don't have any real money makers in these packs, but you'll be the judge of that. All right. Ooh, something I love. A good old Vlad swing. Vladimir Guerrero. DH. Tristan Peters. Rookie card for the outfielders for the Tampa Bay. Like that. Daniel Schneemann, second baseman for the Guardians. I don't know. I don't think that's anything. Future star Spencer Schwellenbach for the Braves. You might like that. Look at this. We got a Cal Raleigh, Aaron Judge, and Junior Caminero. That could be a good card. Having Cal Raleigh and Aaron Judge, although Cal Raleigh has sucked this year. I do know that. Alex Bregman, first baseman. Another rookie card, Anthony Siegler, Milwaukee. Put that off to the side. It is a rook. We don't know if it's good. Sean Burke. Don't know him. Jack Leader. Don't know him. Brendan Donovan. Don't know him. Houston Astros. These are dumb cards because you don't even get a person on them. Oh, and then look at this. Didier Fuentes. That is kind of a cool card. Didier. But we don't know if it's worth anything because I don't know if Didier is good. So there you have it. Hopefully we made a little bit of money on these cards. The box was $30. So hopefully these cards that I deem to be okay are worth at least $30. Something tells me that they aren't.
The video is priceless.
But this one might be worth something. We don't know. This Francisco Lindor holographic is kind of a cool card. So we will keep these cards here for you, Luke. I really don't want them. I don't need these cards. But this Cole Young might be good. Cole Young is an up-and-comer, and it is his rookie card. So, anyway. All right. And I got the Wemby rookie card. It's a Panini, though, so something tells me Panini's not as good as Topps. I don't know that, but something tells me that. And then I have the rookie card, jersey card for Bryce Harper, because what I saw him do in the finals tells me that he could be a potential superstar. So, starting slow with my investing. Per my financial advisor, I was about to buy a $100 Wemby card, and she told me no. So there you have it.